Some monuments celebrate heroes. This one celebrates rituals, movement, and time itself. We're in Minsk in front of a sculptural ensemble known as the Four Seasons, four fountains, four moments of the year, and four stories of Belarusian folklore frozen in bronze. The ensemble appeared here in 1982 on Pobediteley Avenue near the Palace of Sports. Four different sculptors created four scenes not about politics or ideology, but about tradition, memory, and the rhythm of life. Two masked carolers in theatrical motion, winter rituals, dance, playful cares, a promise of prosperity for the year ahead. Dancing women, rounded silhouettes, calm rhythm, a symbol of abundance and gratitude, the quiet power of the land after work is done. A boy and a girl leap through fire, the festival of night, water, courage, youth. The movement breaks the composition, a monument to energy itself. Together, the sculptures from a bronze calendar remind us that in the modern city lives inside an older rhythm of seasons and ritual. Here, architecture becomes softer because folklore enters the street. A young man with a flute, two girls listening to the sky, a ritual known as Vulkani Vesny, calling nature to awaken after winter. Nothing is static here, it's a sculpture about expectation and hope. If you walk past this place, slow down, look at the gestures, listen to the silence. Once you know the stories, these figures stop being statues and start telling the year in motion. Thanks for walking with me. Subscribe and let's keep discovering the hidden poetry of Minsk.